children, I hope you all are well and fine. Stay home, stay safe. Children, today we are learning revision is the standard term, subject, EVS, lesson number 1, our environments. So today we are learning to, again previous we are going back, so we are taking a revision. So children, our environments means what? Means what are developing, what are that? See, you are staying here, there plants are there, birds are there. So, the farming is there, this all are environments. So, let's learn. Look at the picture along the easy name of things. What materials are they made from? What we find the materials? What are the uses of these things? You can name these things and with them we find what are the uses of this. So, they are many things around us. They from our environments, they are stones and rocks and soil. They are rivers and streams and lakes. The air, the hill and mountains. They are jungles. They are field and houses, roads and also burden lands. We also see many different animals around us. Different types of trees and bushes, plants, make an environment beautiful. We too are part of this environment. Now see, environment means not a, see, birds are there, animals are there, human beings and mountains, rivers, sea. So these all are our environment. So we all are part of these environments. We can see soil, trees, beautiful trees, flowers. So these are all are developing the environments. A sparrow is now let us look at the stone of the sparrow in our surrounding the compare them. A stone remain there is a place of changes only if someone picks it up and move it. Now we see our when sparrows are coming near our home, so we can say just we went out, it will be flew away fastly. So, it is a place of changes. Stone picks a moose or does not eat, so does not grow bigger. It does not have big ears. So, the sparrow's size is very small. So, it will be not does not make it a bigger. It's not same as this sparrow. With sparrow, they build off nest and they move here and there to their own. You know, birds they are making their own house. Means they are making their own nest and they build our own. They are not dependent to others. So they eat insects and grains. That is why they grow. They are eating grains and insects. You know everything. So they lay eggs and insects. Little sparrow has these eggs. Sparrow lays a lot of care of young ones. So, things in our surrounding. These all things are in our surrounding. Living things, non-living things, animals, plants. So, these all are surrounding of us. Okay. So, are the things of this. See here, this is tree, animals, all these things. A railway engine goes and for a living or non-living things. The railway is a non-living thing, but it will be run. So wooden comes for trees which are living things. A chair made for wooden. Now the chair living things are non-living things. That is a living thing only. That's why you have to make the non-living things. Okay. So which bird can see in your surrounding? So which birds you can see in your surroundings? Sparrow, crow, parrots. So many birds you can see in our pigeons. Okay, see in your surrounding. Can you name some things that made from stones like sparrows, pigeons? Okay, so water and air are part of the environment. Water also is a part of the environment. All living things and need them. Living things also need for food. They get their food from the environments. Okay, so children, today we learn this in the blanks. So There are many things in our environments. Environments. So living things need to grow. What we want to living things need? They want food like grains, insects, like that. Okay. Now living things can move on their own. They not depend. They can, when they are birth, that time they have to fly. They move on their own. Okay. Now we weave from the cotton, wool and the silk. Where we have to get this cotton, cotton, wool and silk. What we have to make this clothes. Okay. Leave dash 3 day to root and get the mix with the soil full of. Okay. Now here question answers is there. What are the uses of cotton? What are the uses of cotton? We are making cotton for that. Cotton, wool and silk. We are making clothes. How in so many things we can use of that cotton. Okay. Now if there is a lot of noise and what will a sparrow do? I told you when sparrow is lots of, it will come, so it will be fly away fastly and they make a group and they make a like chick chick chick, the sound is doing now. So like that. Okay. So here there are many things in our environments. Living things need food to grow. Living things can move on their own. We weave clothes from cotton, woolen and silk. Leaves full of the trees, they do root and the get mixed with the soil. So, this is our environments. So, environments, now you know what is in our near earth, so that is the environments like birds, tree, water, something with this all are environments, this all are developing. Now you keeping in your home small tree, so it's developing or not? It is like that only? No. So it is big like that. A human beings also when it is small, so it will be big. Like everything will have to be a environments. So lesson number 1, our environments. Okay.